Premier means the pioneer, the number one. It's what we aspire to be. In running a successful business, it's a luxury to be able to just concentrate on your core competencies, and we want to enable our clients with that luxury. We do back office work, so we do customer service and technical support for both data and voice, and all of these we do it with top-notch quality. It's our commitment to excellence, to go that extra mile for our clients, to make sure that we can be proud of our own work. But the real secret to our success is no secret. It's our team. It's our people.
We want our team to be happy and comfortable here at Premier and to gain personal and professional growth. Integrity is the most important for Premier. This is the backbone of the diverse, talented, dedicated people we have. This is why our people are capable of giving world-class services to our clients. Our employees are the heart of the company. Premier believes that taking care of people will enable us to give the best to our clients. We try to make them happy and encourage work-life balance to keep them motivated and excel in what they do. We engage in numerous employee activities such as sports fests and seasonal events. The company also encourages employees to participate in our Premier Cares to allow us to give something back to the community.
Growth is very important to us, both for our team and of course our clients. Since we moved into our own office, we started to have our own identity and work towards continuous improvement. More accounts were introduced, such as the data entry, bilingual accounts, and we're expecting for more. We've allowed clients to gain a larger market share, and it's very simple. We allow them to focus on their core competency and we take care of the rest. We believe in organic growth. Most of our employees started at the bottom, and now some are team leaders, supervisors, and some are even managers. Continuous learning, hard work. That's what we practice every single day to get to our vision, for us to grow.
Premier BPO has been my second family for more than 2 years now, and starting as an assistant in the finance department, Premier gave me numerous opportunities over the years that enabled me to enhance my skills and develop positive work attitude that empowered me to succeed and reach my potential by always providing opportunities. It has always been Premier's standard to trust their employees, to always give their best to the company, to the clients, through services, to the community, and even to their co-workers. It is a dynamic and consistent workplace that continually allows ideas and concepts to become a reality.
In everything that we do, rendering services to clients, training, mentoring, we work together. We learn together. We're like a family.
Your family has your back. They teach you. They help you through challenges. They celebrate your victories. Just like family, they take care of everyone. This is what I've seen with this organization. I'm relatively new, but I've been in the industry for quite some time. They take care of the people who are working for them. They take care of the clients the same way they take care of their employees. Just like family, family would come first. And our clients are an extension of our family. So we do take care of them and their needs any day, any hour. This is what got me into this organization. Seeing how they deal with their employees, seeing how they handle the relationships with their clients, and seeing how they handle and respect each one. This is the family that cares about you and brings out the best in you.
Doing the best for our clients comes naturally. We want to be able to always do our best in everything that we do, from the moment we open our lights till the time that we close them. We don't hold back. For our clients, we push the boundaries. That's what being the best means, and that's what we are here at Premier.